As the number of COVID-19 cases continue to rise, authorities are looking at tightening the COVID containment measures. In June, there was an average of 52 COVID cases per day. However, so far in July, there have been 62 cases per day. Prime Minister Andrew Holness told the House of Representatives on Wednesday that the subcommittee of the Cabinet will be meeting this weekend to discuss the current situation. Simone Absalom Gale tells us more.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says since June 22, when the government announced the recrafting measures in Parliament, which took effect on July 1, the number of new infections have increased. Hanover and Westmoreland are of particular concern, recording a rate of increase that is 2 to 3 times that of Kingston and St. Andrew.
There was a general decrease in positivity between week 11 and week 25 of 2021, from the peak of 38.9% to 6% in the week ending June 26, 2021, which is highlighted on the graph in front of us. Since week 26, however, there has been an increase in positivity. Our average positivity rate for the last 7 days was 8.8%. And for week 29, the positivity rate so far is 9.9%. Madam Speaker, as the graph shows, this puts us in the high transmission range.
He explains that the aim is to get the positivity rate down to 5% or below. According to the Prime Minister, Cabinet will be discussing the way forward.
The purpose of my presentation to this Honourable House today is not to announce any changes to the measures which currently are set to expire on August 10. However, based on the early warning signs that we are seeing, the COVID subcommittee of Cabinet will be meeting this weekend to review the situation to consider whether there may be need to tighten some of the measures in advance of August 10.
He says the public will know the result of the meeting next week. He is urging all Jamaicans to exercise extreme caution.
This is not the time to become complacent. I want to reinforce the need for everyone to be vigilant about observing the protocols and keeping ourselves and each other safe. Some may say that I'm being alarmist and that some amount of uptick in our numbers would have been natural, seeing that we have allowed greater movement and greater gatherings. Madam Speaker, we have seen from the experience of other countries and indeed from our own experience how insidious this virus is and how quickly spikes can occur.
He has renewed calls for people to take the COVID-19 vaccine to reduce the risk of severe illnesses. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Simone Absalom Gale.